Hey there, Twisted Financials fans. Today we're diving into the wild and wacky world of cryptocurrency. Buckle up because we're about to take a roller coaster ride through the digital cash universe. Ready? Let's go. First things first, what in the world is cryptocurrency? Imagine if money had a cool, tech-savvy cousin who only existed online. That's cryptocurrency. It's digital or virtual money that uses cryptography for security. This means it's super hard to counterfeit or double spend. Our story starts with Bitcoin, the first ever cryptocurrency, created by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Think of Bitcoin as the granddaddy of all cryptos. It introduced the world to the concept of decentralized finance. No banks, no middlemen, just peer-to-peer transactions on the internet. Now, let's get a bit techie, but still fun, we promise. Cryptocurrencies run on something called blockchain technology. Picture a digital ledger that's public and immutable. Every time you make a transaction, it's recorded on this ledger, creating a block. These blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain. It's like a never-ending conga line of data. Ever heard of Bitcoin mining? It's not about pickaxes and hard hats. Instead, miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When they solve one, they get to add a new block to the blockchain and are rewarded with some fresh Bitcoin. Think of it as a high-tech treasure hunt. Bitcoin might be the big cheese, but it's not the only player in the game. There are thousands of other cryptocurrencies, known as altcoins or alternative coins. Some of the popular ones include Ethereum, Ripple, XRP, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. Yes, Dogecoin started as a joke, but now it's a serious contender. So, you've got some crypto. Where do you keep it? In a digital wallet, of course. These wallets can be software-based, like apps, or hardware-based, like USB drives. Think of them as your personal vaults for storing digital coins. Want to buy or sell crypto? You'll need to use a cryptocurrency exchange. These are online platforms where you can trade your dollars or other currencies for crypto. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Just like stock markets, but for digital money. Why should you care about crypto? Here are some perks. Decentralization. No central authority, like banks, controls it. Security. Transactions are secure and anonymous. Accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection can participate. Potential for high returns. Prices can skyrocket, though they can also plummet. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility. Prices can swing wildly. There's also the risk of hacking and losing your funds. Always do your research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is still a young and evolving field. Some say it's the future of money, while others remain skeptical. One thing's for sure, it's here to stay and will continue to shape the financial landscape in exciting ways. And there you have it, cryptocurrency in a nutshell. From Bitcoin to blockchain, wallets to exchanges, you're now equipped with the basics to start your crypto journey. Remember, always do your research and have fun exploring this digital frontier. Stay twisted, stay curious, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial fun from the Twisted Financials. Peace out. Peace.